Welcome back to Security 3. Today's we have something exciting to talk about us free cybersecurity course uh, that can your help you to protect yourself and your online presence. Cybersecurity is curricular in our digital age, and this course is fantastic way to get started. But before we dive into the details, let me give you some quick overview of what courses offers. These courses covers a range of essential cybersecurity topics, including introduction to cybersecurity, type of cyber attacks, protecting your devices, online privacy, secure password, network security, safe browsing, email security, social engineering, incident response. Now, let's talk about why should consider taking this course. Obviously, it's a free course. Is the best part is that is course would not cost any cost you a damn. You can learn valuable cybersecurity skills without breaking into the bank. Selfless practical knowledge and certifications. Some free courses even offer a certification that can enhance your resume and career. So, how we can your enroll this fantastic course? Let's first course was the provided by TCM Security. Uh, this course name is Penetration Testing, and these are the ethical hacking 12 hours course. Learn about Ocean. Ocean means open source intelligence. These are the main cybersecurity main component of get the information using Ocean. Then next was the Linux for ethical hackers. You can learn about Linux, what type of your Linux working, and how what command you can place and run your command. Buffer overflow, Python for beginners. All are the code videos are here. Okay. Second was the given by Charlie Short University. Okay. This course is a free short course, pen testing, and this course our time period was free 4 week, and here was the detail you can submit and enroll this course, and difficulty was advanced, and cost was obviously free, and modules are in introduction and scoping, enumeration and vulnerabilities, exploiting and password cracking, report writing and risk analysis examination as well. You can pass the you can give the exam and earn your points. Okay. Then next was the Stanford Online Introducing Internet of Things. This Internet of Things is a part of a cybersecurity that can you uh, valuable information for the your cybersecurity career. Okay, this course is tuition is free, and time period was the 60 days, and online and self-led course. Okay, then we move up to next course. Median Median provide a free cyber defense training for cyber defense training for your career. You can enroll this course. Okay, this type of course are available in this platform. Okay, and then move up to next. There are the next website was the you can digital forensics course are available in this website. Digital forensics, computer forensics, digital forensics training video, and digital forensics hacker arise. These are the all the valuable course are here. Okay, and move up to next. There is a website was the security blue team. This is provide threat hunting, dark web operations, vulnerability management, digital forensics, network analysis. These are the this is the important in cybersecurity. Open source intelligence, Ocean, all are free content and give you certifications. And Splunk was the next was the Splunk. There are many free courses are available in this website. Okay, you can register and uh, earn your earn your create your mind. Okay, RX Cyber Threat Intelligence 101 course is free. There is a price was the $20, and here was the discount price was the free login and 4 hour plus course training, including 2.5 hours of video training, engaging accessories, 100 plus practical questions are, and then final exam and earn your certificates and add in your resume. Okay, then next was the free cybersecurity education course. This is provided by Plalto, and given the details is you can login and then provide your email address and password, and then you can give the information about cybersecurity. These are the all websites are given the cybersecurity content, practice and exploitation information about cybersecurity. How you can earn your information about cybersecurity. What cybersecurity? Your point was key. Uh, your point was how you can get into the cybersecurity world and enhance your technical skills and improve your skills. Okay, so there you have it, a fantastic free cybersecurity course that can equip you with a skill you need to stay safe online. Remember, cybersecurity is continuous learning journey, and this course is an excellent place to start. If you found this information helpful, please give me a video thumbs up, subscribe or our channel for more tech and cybersecurity content, and leave any question or thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe, and I will see you next video.